welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing another subscription box. Last week I unboxed Glamego box. If you have not checked that out, I will link it somewhere here. Please go and check it out. And today I'm going to be unboxing Globox. This is actually a box that you can build on your own and buy whatever stuff that you would want to buy. This retails for rupees 9.99. This is how the box look, and I've already opened and saw what's inside because I could not wait. I was so excited, but I'm going to unbox again. This is a cardboard box. It has this magnetic flap inside like this, and it says Globox over here. When you open the box, the first thing that you see is this card which has a Globox logo on it again. And there are a few more other cards which I'm going to go through right now. There is another card which is like a personal note from Globox. And there is a referral coupon. And there is a share the love. It comes in a white paper wrap like this. When we open, there are 5 products inside of it, which are a full-size product. First thing I see in this box is this Fucsia Natural Skincare Citrus Blast Orange Lemon Soap Free Body Wash, such a long name, which looks something like this. It's a body wash, and this one retails for rupees 450 already. It's almost the half price of the box, and I'm really excited to try this out. And I've never tried anything from this brand called Fucsia. The next thing I see over here is this Aloe Vera Hydro 3-in-1 gel, which is for hair, body and skin. It provides nourishment and hydration. That's what it says on the packaging. The packaging looks like this. This is an aloe vera gel. This is a 3-in-1 gel. I'm really excited to try this because I use aloe vera gel on an everyday basis, and also with this one says it's 3-in-1, which I can use for body, hair and face. I actually like all of the things that has aloe vera in it. I think it suits my skin. It retails for rupees 575. This is the third product. This is a Nika K Auto Eye Liner. This is in the shade Sky Blue. Doesn't seem like a sky blue for me though. I think it retails for rupees 180. The fourth product I see in this box is this MUA Luxe London Velvet Lip Lacquer. This is the shade. I'm kind of really excited about this one. I think this is a treat for anybody who loves lipstick. The shade name is a Flush. It's a very bright hot pink. I really like this shade. The last and final thing that I've got in this box is this eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited to try this palette out because I have a Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette, which is the dupe of this MUA palette, but the shades are different. I have reviewed it on my channel. If you have not watched it, I will definitely link it. Please go watch it. And also, if you guys want to see the comparison between that and this one, the color payoff and everything, I'm going to definitely do that. This is in the edition Spring Break. It has fresh spring shades. This palette alone retails for rupees 900 if you buy it just like that on their website. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Leave all the social media links in the description box. Go follow over there as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!